Hi, kindergarten friends. Miss Scarborough here. Today we're doing uppercase G on page 24. Uppercase G on page 24. Make sure you're sitting bottom to bottom, back to back, and you have a correct pencil grip. Okay, remember we don't hold our pencil back here. We hold it up close so that we can control and our hand is always touching the table. All right, we are going to do one stroke on uppercase G. It's going to start at the green dot, and it's going to circle left like an uppercase C, and then it's going to slide right. Oh, sorry, slide left. Goodness. So circle left, slide left, circle left, slide left, circle left, slide left. You'll notice this is a tall letter. It is touching both the sky and the ground, blue and red. And it's sliding across that dotted line right in the middle. Okay, so we're going to try on our own down here in the second row. Start at the green dot. You're going to go up to the blue, curve down to the red, up to the dotted line, and kind of stop, but don't lift your pencil, and then just slide left. Okay, so you're going to go up to the blue, down to the red, back up to the dotted line, pause for a second, slide left. Okay, if we are not going carefully and we're not taking our time, your G might turn out like this. And that looks like the number 6. We don't want a number 6 in our book. We want G's only. So go up to the blue, down to the red, across, and this is a straight line. There should be no curve right here. You're going to pause and make a straight line. No curves. That's why they start to look like 6s. You also want to make sure that you're making a big C so that it doesn't look like it's just dropping down. All right. You're going to finish the third row by yourself. Down here it says draw a line to each matching part. So there's black dots on here. You're going to draw a line across the book like this to the matching part. Down at the bottom, write the uppercase G to complete this sentence. There is no green dot for you, so you're going to have to see that it starts just a little bit below that blue line. It goes up, makes a big C, pause at the dotted line, and slide left. Finish tracing the rest of the letters and the punctuation. Are your letter forms correct? Yes or no? Circle the G you thought was the best. I think this one looks pretty good. Put an X on the one that you could do better next time. I'm going to cross out this one that looks like the number 6. And I'm going to post a picture to my seesaw. Good luck!